Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing DAG. Biggest things are happening. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the exchange, we've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2X package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with DAG in real time. Any new information from the community and official handles? Let's find out. Dagnum PI always active when it comes to DAG, so nothing is different this time around as well. Let's see what's happening. How did you and the rest of the world miss Common Crawl? All of this will be open source, and what do you think is going to happen once they start publishing these? The biggest things in AI are happening on Constellation Hypergraph Transfer Protocol. Indeed, the biggest things are happening on Constellation. We've seen it be endorsed by the government departments, and it is forging partnerships with the likes of Panasonic and others. So the ticker is DAG. Look at this. DAG Explorer, mainnet, Common Crawl. Look at this. The Common Crawl Metagraph provides on-chain tools for what? For validating and cryptographically securing Internet Archive data produced by the Common Crawl Foundation for use in AI training and development. If you do not know already, artificial intelligence is going to be huge, and if we haven't even scratched the surface of what AI is capable of. And projects like Constellation trying to integrate blockchain, data, AI, I think that they have the potential to be really beneficial for the world of finance as a whole, folks. Not just this industry, but for finance in general, folks. So this is great. New technology that blockchain is bringing, it can be huge. Morgan Brown. And yes, all this is available open source. Anyways, Dagnum PI over here. Let me pause this first. Just a moment. Yeah. Reminder, a metagraph is coming. 7 hours ago, by the way. Yes, Panasonic will have a layer 1 blockchain network. DAG equals secure information sharing. And it is so much secure that even the highest level of bodies are trusting it with sensitive information, and this shouldn't be taken for granted whatsoever. Before I play this video, let's see what this is. This is official handle of Constellation Network. Let me open this up. What is this post all about? A really interesting graphic, by the way. I really like when we get something interesting from official handles. Okay. Our partnership with Panasonic NA, Panasonic North America, by the way, allows for a brighter future in mission-critical data security. And if you've seen recently the trend that USA-based projects are gaining momentum and people are optimistic about it, various different regions had their time. We talked about Middle East being digital asset friendly. We talked about Asia being digital asset friendly. When we covered the VELO videos, we all constantly talked about how Asia is trying to integrate blockchain into their financial systems. We talked about Africa, Middle East, Asia, and now, folks, ever since the elections, USA has indeed gained some momentum when it comes to digital assets, and the US-based projects are really in the radar of a lot of different investors and stakeholders. Constellation DAG technology can now be integrated into Toughbook devices, enabling secure mobile communication across industries like defense, healthcare, and logistics. We're talking about various different sectors and segments that Constellation wants to disrupt with its technology. And one more thing, folks. Constellation calls itself the America's blockchain. So the momentum that North America has at the moment, USA has at the moment, Constellation can benefit from it. It can benefit from this narrative as well. Let me pause this first. So yeah, increase volume, because oftentimes I forget to do that. Yes.
And we're going to quickly pivot over to today. Panasonic is been in the works for almost 3 years. And the reason why I've been going after companies like this is because they have a footprint of infrastructure that's almost next to none. Sure, there's probably another dozen companies in the world that could compete with the amount of infrastructure.
By the way, this is a stacked bunch. Look at this. We've got Dagnam PI, we've got Benjamin Diggles, the Chief Strategy Officer and co-founder. Then we've got Ben Jorgensen, the CEO of Constellation Network. Stacked. Panasonic, Global Layer 0 node, Hybrid node, Metagraph Layer 1 node, Metagraph Layer 0 process, Global Layer 0 process. Look at this, Global Layer 0 state, consensus and validation. The global layer 0, folks.
Structure that is running on this planet on behalf of a business. A lot of people don't know that every battery in a Tesla has been manufactured by Panasonic. You know, like most of the airliners that are running your internet, Panasonic. My nose hair trimmer, Panasonic. My DJ turntables, Panasonic. Like they're everywhere, right? And so for us, when we think about that add-on value to existing infrastructure within the DoD, by applying that over to a commercial entity is a hand to fit the glove. And I'm not going to share too much, of course, what we're doing with them, because that's going to be stuff we're going to be debuting in Q1. But out of all of our partnerships, I would hand to God say this is our best one, and I couldn't be more excited.
Awesome, awesome. Let's see what else do we have. DAG backs pact. DAG investing long-term, delegated staking, and running node validators will allow us to collect rewards, so we don't have to sell our main position. This is the way, America's blockchain. POV 2027, they tried to entice you with meme coins and day trading, but you decided to stick to your guns and invest in DAG long term. Folks, I saw a post a few days ago. I think I saw it yesterday, if I'm not wrong. That we should be sticking, I think it was from CZ, if I'm not wrong, that we should be relying on fundamentals. We should rely on fundamentals. There are multiple opportunities in the market, short term, when you get greedy, when you really get melancholic about it, that why didn't you invest in a certain project, in a certain stock. But you have to stick to your fundamentals according to CZ. To each their own. A lot of people might make a lot from day trading or swing trading and a lot of different strategies. But I think that a lot of people, even if you see the older BTC hodlers or the BTC millionaires that hodled their bags from back in the day, 2015 or 2012, 2013, those that truly that truly believed in the fundamentals or got lucky by hodling it, to be honest, because a lot of people just got lucky. They didn't know where BTC is going to be a decade from that point or a few years from that point. But if you truly believe in the fundamentals and you hodl the project and constantly accumulate and increase your bag size, that is also a really great strategy. If indeed that project of yours or ours, it picks up steam and it reaches those levels that we have predicted. Obviously, any project can succeed or fail, but I think that this does not have much pressure on the brain as well. The day trading, to each their own. As I said, there are various strategies in this market and stock market everywhere. So to each their own. But I really like this strategy as well, to stick to your guns and invest in a long-term project. This really helps as well. Okay, let me open this up. Max Avery over here says more people need to dig into Constellation. America's blockchain is providing utility at massive levels and it is somehow still under 10 cents. And it is based in the USA. I told you folks that it is sort of a narrative now and integrated into the US government. So it is not only based in USA. It is well integrated in USA's infrastructure, so this gives it a competitive advantage in comparison to a lot of different projects, that's for sure. So let's hope that it picks up steam. But I agree that somehow it is still floating under the radar at the moment. Let me open this up. Constellation Ultimate Data Solutions.
Constellation DAG has impressed me like not a lot of other projects in recent years. DAG is a scalable economic framework that offers solutions for big data and digital marketplaces. And unlike traditional blockchain, DAG can validate large data streams in real time. It's perfect for applications that require high-speed data processing. As network adoption grows, DAG will be able to enable decentralized ecosystems of services and applications, and its design has the potential to change the way that a lot of industries handle data. I'm really excited to see where things go, and I'm expecting big things for DAG in the coming years. Constellation DAG has...
It is to be seen how much time DAG remains under the radar. We did it, DAG, we closed over the 200 weekly moving average. At the moment, the entire market is bloody, to be honest. CloseGate TradingView was showing a different weekly close, which was shown in the video and screenshot, but now showing a different close. This is 9 hours ago, folks, so I do not know what's happening because BTC has dipped, and so I saw the entire market being bloody. It's been a while since I've seen that the entire project, the projects in the top 1,000 and even top 1,500 projects, guys, they are bloody. From only a handful are in the green. Besides that, everything is bloody, folks. TradingView was showing a different weekly close, which was shown in the video anyways. Regardless, it was a very impressive week, but at the moment I do not know where DAG is, to be honest. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen price, and I rarely see price of these projects because fundamentals for me matter a lot, and I cover those that I think are doing something, developing behind the scenes, forging partnerships. Benjamin Jorgensen would love to finally have a moment to discuss DAG and our ongoing work with the US Department of Defense. Indeed, we would welcome it, and we are curious to see what's happening and what else is developing. I'm going to be showing you a few other comments as well. Okay, so Dagnum again. Well, DAG isn't a layer 1 and it has been working directly with the federal government since 2019, not just now, and became an approved solution back in 2022. So it has from 2019 to 2022, it has gone through the phase where it has apparently been tested, obviously. I believe so. Let's hope that it has truly been tested, because governments won't rely on something that hasn't been tested. Also, Panasonic North America is about to launch a Layer 1 blockchain on top of Constellation Hypergraph Transfer Protocol Layer 0. P.S. DEX is about to launch. Let me open this up for a few comments, what the people are saying. You could also get Brian up to speed with Paka Swap since Coinbase is going to focus on native DEX support. Okay. Let's do it, Brian. Please look into all the great work that Constellation team has done with DAG. Look at this, US Air Force, Simba. This is the way. Love seeing the DAG team keeping it real. Cooperation greater than competition. Okay. Listing meme coins like Trump is not a problem at all, but listing America's blockchain is. Explain it or list it, Brian Armstrong. The Department of Defense can make a token in 2 minutes. Okay, DAG should be on Coinbase. Made in America, trusted technology. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about Constellation DAG? Do you think that biggest things are indeed happening? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.